Ready? I'm sorry. Yeah. Holi is an Indian festival celebrated in spring season. Holi marks the end of winter. And type of good or evil. People. Knock it down to the basic. And bonfire. People. Like color powder and Sprite water. What's Holi? Putchikaris. What is the one for all?
Holi is the celebration of the arrival of spring. The colors used during Holi were once upon a time from flowers of trees that blossom during spring.
With the growing demand for quantity and variety in colors, manufacturers have made artificial colors. These artificial colors have chemicals and can have a severe effect on your hands and eyes.
So why not try organic? You can make them yourself and they are safe to play with. Our class have made a few colors using organic materials such as mehndi powder, turmeric powder, rose and hibiscus petals.
We wish you a happy and safe Holi.